Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to play on the piano a melody called Happy Birthday. I'm sure you know the melody, and today I will show you a very easy version of this composition. Also, I will teach you some notes so that in the future you can read the music sheet yourself. Alright, so I will show you how it sounds with both hands. So let's start with the right hand. The right hand starts on C, which is the key just before two black keys. So you start on C with the first finger twice. So we have happy, and then on D you will play with the second finger, like that. So that's twice on C, then the note D, then again the note C with the first finger, and then the fourth finger on F, and the third on E. So please print the notes that are below, and it will be easier for you, because it's great if you remember that the note C is the one that's on just at the beginning. That's the note which is below the staff. So it's like additional line below the staff, and it's played twice. Then we go with the second on D, then again the first on C. So you will remember that this additional note below the staff, that's the note C. Also, the other note that repeats is the note F, and that's the note F played with the fourth, and then the note E with the third. So that's the first part. Let's add the left hand. The left hand is easier. You've got F played with the second, and then C played with the fifth finger. So together you will play like that, just the right hand and then both hands, and both hands. Alright, so alright, let's continue. The right hand will play as before, so you will see the note C, which is repeated twice. Then again the note D, just as at the beginning. Then again the note C. And before you'd play the note F, but now we play the note G with the fifth, and then the note F. Alright, so this second phrase is like that. G and F. And the left hand for this part is just the note C with the fifth, and the note F with the second. So if you put it together, it looks like that. Okay, let's play together very slowly from the beginning. So we have just the right hand first, C, C, and both hands, let's continue. So we will have again the note C that you know already in the right hand. It will be played twice with the first, and then you also play the note C, but here, so it is the octave up. So that's the note C, and this is also the note C, but played in the upper octave. So we play twice this middle C and then upper C with the fifth, then the note A with the third, the note F with the first, and it will be a bit difficult, you need to play like that, so the second on E and the first on a D. Okay, so let me repeat. So we have C and C and C again, but in the upper octave, then the third on A, the first on F, the second here on E, and the first on a D. And the left hand for this part are the notes A with the first, and the note which is just on the right hand, it's the black key, which is called the B flat, with the second. So we play the first here, and the second on B flat. So let's play it together from this middle part, the last phrase. And then the right hand plays B flat twice with the fourth. B flat is this black key, so you have 3 black keys, and the last one is B flat. We will repeat it twice. Then A with the third, F with the first, then G with the second, and F with the first one. So the last phrase is B flat, A, then F, G, and F. And the left hand for this part is C played twice and F played once with the fifth. And then the note C is, I will show you how it's played. So we start just the right hand, and here with the note A in the right hand you play also the left hand. Again the note C and F in both hands. So in fact it's easy to remember that the left hand is added on the words birth and you. So if you sing it, you will notice that. Let's start from the beginning, I will show you. So happy and birth we play together. To and you we play together. And it will be similar later on. So happy and birth we play together. And you we play together. And again, happy just the right hand, and birth we play together. We have here a deer, and we give the name, so we play together. And at the end we play together on a birth, and also to and you. Okay? So that was Happy Birthday. I hope that you enjoyed our lesson and that by now you've learned the notes C and F. Thank you very much.